And then I'm gonna apply this one coat. All right, so let's do some cute bonus nails. Should we do foil? How do I have this one? All right, 30 seconds. I'm gonna use this one, and we're gonna use this one and Diamond Pixie from the Easter box. Or you can get it, it's just in the sections of the Diamond Pixie. All right. You want to see sneak peek for next month's sub box? This is sneak peek for next month's sub box. This month's sub box, this is not for this month, but next month, which is it start from the 12th of March. Hold on. Yes, in 2 days. So congratulations to all sub member. It's so cool. This is like, you see that the collections of the beach house, but this is totally different. It's totally different. It's always cool. Just sneak peek. Stay tuned. I'm loving it. I can't wait to have a whole set on that. All right, so let's see. We can do this one like that. Fall in love. Give me pink one. Oh my god, it's hard to choose which one. Love, love, love. Like here, I want one of the. You can pick anything you want. You can place in any spot you want. It doesn't have this spot here. I just want to get some cue. That's it. So now if you don't want anything else, you can top coat and then you're good to go. So I am go ahead and apply the condensed glue gels. So we're gonna start doing Diamond Pixie. Not too thick, not too thin. And don't forget with the no wipe top coat. Let's see what we're gonna have here. The Glitz crystal. These are bonus nails. Got my crystal picker. I'm not using the Glitz crystal, which is I got from the Valentine starter kits, which is a Valentine is like sound really dramatic, but then also is you can use it throughout the years. Doesn't have to be just only for Valentine. And it looks so cool though. It's 3-dimensionals and I love it. It looks so cool. All right, so I'm gonna do some of this first. See if I can find some heart. I thought I saw some heart in here. I might use them all already. Oh, I have a bigger heart. This one might be too big. I'm gonna using smaller ones from the kits. Hold still. I can use, let's see, which one should I use? Maybe not green, pink. Pink though. Oh no, Maybe I should using the like unicorns to matching. There you go. Or maybe I should do a pink too on the other heart. Is that cute, no? And then maybe another. Oh, it looks so adorable. Ooh, this nails is so cute. If you don't want anything else, just key it for 60 seconds. But if you want this to have a Diamond Dust Pixie, let's do some Diamond Dust Pixie on this beauty. I am moving all the tray away and open my Diamond Dust Pixie. You can use this in the, I don't know, which one should I do? I like the pink also. Pink or AB? Pink or AB? AB or pink? AB or pink? Both of them are good with this, either one. Which one should we do? Pink? Maybe pink. You can use either one, doesn't matter. Hold on to the tray underneath the nail to catch all the excess is Pixie. And this is a great thing about this is a blush, so it's not looks like really covers all the designs. It's absolutely so adorable on the top of the design we already did. Tap it gentle. And then I'm gonna just tap, tap, tap in. Make sure they are staying nice and compact. All right. So now we'll go ahead and key it for 60 seconds.